How to use Roblox Avatar Editor to customize character. So it's really easy. The first thing that you would need to do is simply get into your Roblox just like this. Then from here, obviously log into your account, right? So after logging into your account, what you're going to do is simply click on the option Avatar that you can see on the left side right here. Click on Avatar. Then from here, you can now start choosing your characters, clothing, accessories, animations, or heads and bodies. Just like this, we have a lot of things that you can do. Let's just go with face for now. Let's just select this face, right? So in here, like I said, you can select your avatar, body, makeup, clothing, accessories, and etc. So after doing that, you can also like equip an item by like obviously clicking on it just like this. Let's just say I want this here, then I can simply get it like this. So in here, all you need to do in order to save changes is like nothing. Like you literally just have to click on these accessories just like this, and this will automatically save all of the changes to your avatar. And this is exactly how you will be able to use Roblox Avatar Editor to customize your character.